May niriat sangni somni paruk ani darkar thum darkar live liam ta khan Strait of Hormuz Iran le US anin kap le tlat maya Iran lampang hian in chet an lam masazok nin alanga hethi le hi kan ron riek chian main he kan en ho lokang
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sangni somni paruk atanga sangni somni pasari academic sessionatan class 11 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adangte ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hoina skula hian admission ron ti vero le.
Yes, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School admission in lo ti ve theu do ni he phone number 10 ron tar langa in lo ko lang in lo bianga admission in lo ti ve theu do ni ole tu zoning kan react chadang yo alert.
Fox News alert, we just bombed Iran.
Yes, Fox News alert, we just bombed Iran. Aron tinghala ni hepa hian mo. Iran an bomba ni. Lat mai na US lampang hian. Amaro chu hi US hian in ka hai kan bo chia. An pon kha kan bo chia. An ti tu big meal lawa. Iran lampang pon kan bo chia kan ti tu big meal lawa ni. An pani hian ti hian in ka hai an puan bo chetu wa tran kha an du lo ve amaro chu an in kap ve ani. Mase akap masatu zo kan oma. Tu Iran an ni. Chu van so ni US hian in an bom le ta ngai thei ani.
CENTCOM launching airstrikes hitting multiple ports along
CENTCOM lampang hian in airstrike an beya omje chu jet fighter te helicopter mangte in an be tina ania Iran longchol mun tamtak CENTCOM lampang hian in an be ani.
the Strait of Hormuz. Senior US officials saying this is not a restart of the war.
US official chen khat te chuanin an soidan chuan he thile hi indo na chun zom na tur anilo anti ani he apoi mo khop mai a chan chu tu na hian in Iran le US te he deal siam thei mai din huna anding mek ani hetiang ani mek lai hian hetiang hian in Iran le US te an kap le zeu thina soito khanin in ka hai bo chetua tran kha an du lo ve boxia
Or an end to the ceasefire.
khabi in ka hai an puan kha bo chiat na le ti top na lampang ani lo ani ti kha an ron soi chiang viau ani US official lampang te chuan.
It all started this afternoon when Iranian attack boats from the Mosquito fleet
Iranian attack boats long tereu te Iran long tereu te ei long lian nei tolo Iran hian mo long tereu te speed sang zet zetakal thei ang chi ho khan US long te hi vabe tum khan an pan nai ani
swarmed toward 3 guided missile destroyers in
US long pathum hi vabe an tumani Iran lampang hian
the Gulf. The USS Truxtun, the USS Rafael Peralta, and the USS Mason defended themselves.
ti chuanin heng long pathum te hi an bani len manian lawin ve ani
Keeping them at bay with 50 caliber machine gun.
Machine gun mang ten an lo ka plate ani khan long hey han ngai to chiang maula machine gun mang mai khan Iran long te kha tu na chonin an kap chien an kap pil thei to ani missile te rocket tiang pui kham na ngai to lo Iran Navy chu pa che to lu tu ani
Small caliber gun teams on deck and Hellfire missiles fired from Apaches.
ti chuanin long ho hian te hian machine gun an manga missile guided destroyers ani heng long te hi mo an du chon missile te pon kap chuak thei amaro chu heng long te hi chuanin trul an ti lo chu wan chonin he longa machine gun om mang khanin an kap ve mai ani ti chuanin helicopter mang atang te po khanin an lo be ve ani.
Iranian forces also launched drones and missiles from the shoreline.
Ti chuan Iran lampang hian drones te missile te hi an kap ve bok ani.
This was a pretty intense and sustained barrage, so the United States responded forcefully, launching airstrikes.
Hetianga Iran ina drone te le missile manga heng US indolong an be awang hian in United States te hian in an chang let ve nga la ni saptong chuan tit for tat an tia Iran ina anti angang hi United States lampang hian in an ti let ve zel do ni Iran in drone le missile mangin an be ya chuan chuan in United States chuan te hian in a be le da chang let ve nga zel ani a pui khop mai ma se he thil theng hian in engtit nge US le Iran in kara in biak na Iran ina tu na US proposal azir chien me ka the engtin nge a ngongang ti ero kha chu hriat thei alani lo
Targeting Iranian missile facilities responsible for the attack.
Kami Iran atanga drone te missile te anron ka chuana kha United States lampang hanin anwaka chiat sakle ni New Zealand report ani
Hitting missile and drone launch sites, command and control locations, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance nodes.
Kami drone le missile ron ka chuana banga khanin intelligence Iran intelligence atana mun poimo tak ang chi te po kha tuna hianin United States te hianin an be tel bok ane
Central Command said the Iranian attacks were unprovoked and
Central Command ina soidan chuanin hetianga Iran ina miron beiringot hi keini lampangina kan va chou chu ani mi lo tin an soi ni tat mai na
We responded in self-defense.
kan chou chu po ni lo ti miron beiringot awang hianin keimani lo in venan heti hianin kan ka plate ve hala ni tin Central Command khulam Middle East United States how to the chuan an soi ni
Adding that not a single American ship was hit.
tianga drone tam tak le missile tam tak Iran hian ron kap chuakin miron beima se kan long pakhat ma hi an ron kap fulawani tin Central Command lampang chuan an soi ni
Central Command says we don't seek escalation, but we remain positioned and ready to protect American forces.
Indo hi kan du chuang lo tuna hian ama ro chu US sipai te le kan ral thuam te veng him tur chuan kan din hmun a thato ka engtiklai poin kan in pe kan in ring reng ani tin an soi ni
ABC asked the president if the ceasefire was over, and he
ABC News lampang chuan in President Donald Trump an hena hian in ka hai puan hi a top to nge omzia ti in zona an zota
said no. Ceasefire is still on.
chuan Trump a chuan in la top lo ve tuna hian in ka hai puan hi tiang hian in kan lam mong me ka ni pa ngai takin ala om chho me ka ni tiang zong khan a soi ve ama ro chu hetianga hanin ka zeu hi chu ngaya an nei chho ni na ang riau ka hain puang mo amaro chu hetianga hanin beile zeu hanin ka le zeu te hi chu ngaya an nei chho ni na ang tariaw ani
It's just a love tap. The president later writing on Truth Social that the Iranian small boats were completely destroyed.
President Trump chuanin anhu dewa khanin social media te hinaron posa Iran long tereu te kha zawai kan ti chhep kan ye te ni
Iranian missiles were easily knocked down.
Iranin missiles te po khan lo intercept ve kan ni om je chu Iran khan missile ron kap chuak ma se long te kha ang ka fu thei ma khan an lo ka chiat sa kan ni khang missile
And drones were incinerated while in the air, and they dropped ever so beautifully down to the ocean, very much like a butterfly dropping to its grave.
drone te po an lo ka chiat sak ve ka tuipuya an ta thavek ani
The Iranians claim it was tit for tat. Yesterday, an F-18 Super Hornet
Iran lampang chuan in phuba kan lak na ani an lo ti vele tat mai ani chan chu ni min lama US in Iran laka engmon in lo ti ve ni
lit up an Iranian tanker with machine gun fire when it
US jet fighter pakhat khan in Iranian oil tanker Iran oil phur long kan ti ang chi khamo long lien deuh kha US jet fighter pakhat hian machine gun mang khan in lo kap ve aniang khabi kha Iran lampang chuan in phuba kan ron la an ti ve nge ya phuba an ron la kai United States lampang chuan in phuba an lo la khum vele ni tur ani hetiang hian
tried running the blockade and turned it around back to port. The president says the three
khamin long kha Iran long chol na mun traina ron chuaka US ina Strait of Hormuz an block kha ron ton tlang atum mani amaro chu khatianga ron ton tlang atum lai khanin US jet fighter chon lo ka pa alet le pha ta tin aron reporta khami US jet fighter in Iran oil tanker aloka pakha Iran chon in phuba an la he United States in phuba an la let vele ngala ne a pui ang reng khop mai
three destroyers successfully transited out of the strait and will join the blockade. And the Wall Street Journal's reporting that Project Freedom is still in play.
Wall Street Journal lampang khanin Project Freedom Trump na ati top lai lok kha an lampang chun zom reng ani ti na soi ani tin izan lampang hanin thil pakhat kan ria ka chu Saudi Arabia te khanin an airspace kha United States te thlona atan manan phallo kan ti to kha Saudi Arabia po an lawin ngai to chiang le aniang chu wang sonin tu na hianin Saudi Arabia te chuanin an airspace kha United States te sipai te an thlo thei na te man thei turatan khanin an hong le to ani ti kha news tharlam ber chuanin an ron report le to ani khami report kha om le to
It was paused for diplomatic reasons.
United States le Iran anin bia ka wang khan Trump pakhan khami kha anti top lai lok zuaya kha news chen kha chon in Saudi Arabia lampang in an airspace an ram chunga US enge thlo theina thlo kol vel kha an phalo wang khan in Trump an ati top tin ron report ma se kha ro kha chu thudik tok lo thu bel chen dolo ang ani chu tuna hianin Saudi Arabia lampang chuanin US te hi an airspace man an phalle to ani
to help with the Iranian negotiations and because of an airspace dispute with the Saudis. But it's all patched up. And the French and British navies are apparently on their way to help with escort duty.
French le British Navy te hituna hianin Middle East lampang an pan me kani achan chu Strait of Hormuz long tang te shuai chuan ko hianin United States si an pui ve do na ang tariau mai
when needed. The president said earlier today a normal country would let boats sail peacefully through the strait.
Rampang ay chuanin Strait of Hormuz anga te hi chuanin hey sumdong long ang chi te hi chu pa ngai takin an kaltir mai anga atia Trump chuan mo.
But Iran's not a normal country.
Amaro chu Iran ram hi chu rampa ngai ril rupa ngai puram anilawa.
Some of these Persian pirates are still trying to charge tolls. They're screaming into loudspeakers at tanker traffic, pay up or we'll shoot.
Strait of Hormuz hi Iran hi kan control an ti vetlet maya hetiang ani awang hi anin Strait of Hormuz kaltang tum long reng te hi Iran lampang chuanin radio mang te po in aniang loudspeaker mang te po in aniang toll fee min ron pero poisa min ron pero in kaltang du chuan chutiang ani lawa poisa min pelawa kaltang lui in tu mani chuanin kan ron ka pang cheu ti in Iran hianin an lo soi thina ni hei wang hi ni Trump chuanin Iran hi rampa ngai an ni lo rampa ngai te chuni se tian an kaltang tir mai ang ati na chan mo yang pon ni sia poimo bera chuan tu nai hianin inka hai chun puang rang tho amaro chu hetianga an puan reng lai hian Iran le US te hi anin ka ve de ureng ani he thili chunga ya an nei chodon ni na lang Iran lampang chuanin drone te missile te long mangkhanin US long pathum kha be antuma US te khanin an lo kap chevek mai ani he thila hi Iran lampang chuanin nimin lama US jet fighter in kan oil tanker min ka sakwanga ni tia phuban ron lak tu makha United States chuanin phuba an lak let khumani Strait of Hormuz po Iran in kan block an tia US lampang chuanin kan ron block ve don ka tiang deuh kha ni US hi chu tlem chuanin fin khal chu har deuh adiang Iran tan hi chuan tu hian anin dormeka deal an siam theidon nge don lower chu la hret thei lawa Iran lampang hian US in a proposal ron siam hi kan zir chiang mek an tia karon update le don ya khati zong ha tun trum ata da toy si kim si kan han siam thei chu nia video le kan in mulai theu don ni